Hey you guys, I thought I'd do a grocery haul with you guys. It's almost Thanksgiving and I haven't done one in a while, so I thought it would be the perfect time to do one. So it's actually Sunday, so I am actually just going to shop for Thanksgiving because I already did my normal grocery shopping earlier this weekend, and I like to separate the two out. That way I'm less likely to forget anything, but I'm sure I will anyhow. But I'm less likely to if I separate out Thanksgiving. So, we don't actually celebrate Thanksgiving in the traditional sense. So we don't do like a lot of the traditional foods like turkey, ham, stuffing, things like that, because no one likes it in my family. So instead what I do is I just let everyone just pick whatever they like, what they want to eat. So a lot of the dishes I make may not necessarily be traditional Thanksgiving dishes, but it's what everyone enjoys, and to me that's more important. So I am planning to go to Aldi, but I'm not sure they're going to have everything there because they were out of a lot of stuff the other day. So I am most likely going to have to stop somewhere else for a few things. But once I get back, I'll share the menu with you guys and the grocery haul. So I will see you all in a little bit. Alright, so I am back, and I thought I'd start off with showing the menu to you guys. So we will be having yummy chicken, which is just something my kids have deemed the chicken that I make instead of turkey. They request this. It's basically just a baked chicken with some seasonings and butter, but the kids call it yummy chicken. So then we're also going to have a spinach casserole, some Kraft style macaroni and cheese, some butter garlic shrimp, some garlic green beans, homemade mashed potatoes, some homemade macaroni and cheese, some sweet potato casserole, and some skillet corn. And then I actually did pick up a few other things that I wasn't planning on. And then for dessert, I've got a pumpkin honey bun cake I'm making. I actually have all the ingredients for. I picked up a pumpkin roll, and then I'm making an Oreo pie. And then I'm planning to make like a keto vanilla cheesecake fluff for myself. And then the day after, when we're putting up the Christmas tree, I'm going to do like a charcuterie veggie fruit tray with cookies and brownies and desserts. So let's get into the grocery haul. So for the mashed potatoes, I did pick up a 10-pound bag of potatoes. We don't eat a lot of potatoes, so it's going to take us a while to go through these, but they were only $2.50. So it was way cheaper just to buy the 10-pound than to get like a 3-pound bag. So also, what is Thanksgiving without brown and serve rolls? So I picked up a pack of those. And then they had this new keto stuffing mix. And I don't think my camera is going to focus on it too well, but the ingredients aren't the cleanest. But it is 2 net carbs, and it is 6 per serving, and there's 6 servings. I thought I'd give it a try. I'm not a big stuffing person on Thanksgiving, but, thought I'd try it out since it is new. Then I picked up some of the basic macaroni and cheese, a couple cans of green beans, and then I always pick up some sparkling grape juice. I picked up heavy whipping cream because I know I will use it, even though I do have some on hand. I just picked up some more. Some cottage cheese for the spinach casserole, sour cream for the potatoes, and I picked up Aldi's brand of Velveeta. I'm not a big fan of Velveeta, but there are certain applications where it just really works. So that'll be going in the spinach casserole and the homemade mac and cheese. And then I did have to pick up some spinach. And I actually like the frozen chicken breasts. When I'm baking chicken, it just seems to be a lot moister than regular chicken breasts. And then I also picked up some cooked shrimp with the tails off. My kids do not like the tails. That creeps them out. So I got 2 blocks of extra sharp cheese for the spinach casserole and mac and cheese. And then they also had these frozen Mediterranean vegetables. So I thought that would be a good option to just toss in the oven for me, because I do like zucchini. And then I also picked up some corn to make the skillet corn. So I didn't have to pick up anything for the sweet potato casserole because I already have everything on hand. I have the marshmallows, sugar, sweet potatoes already. So I didn't need to get anything for that. So now for dessert, I did pick up 2 boxes of the Oreo pudding for the Oreo pie and some Oreos. And then I did pick up some of the keto pudding by Simply Delish. This has fairly clean ingredients for a pudding mix. So this is what I'll be using in my cheesecake fluff dessert. And some cream cheese. And I'll serve it with like the chocolate chip or snickerdoodle cookies crumbled up on the side. So I picked up a bag of each of those because I'll have it with my dessert, but I also plan to have it the next day on our dessert tray. So I also picked up one of the pumpkin rolls because this is everyone's favorite. And then for the day after Christmas, I like to do a sort of charcuterie, fruit, veggie dessert platter. That's what the cookies are for, in addition to the cheesecake fluff that I'm making. And then I had to pick up some mini chocolate chips because we were totally out, so that I can make some other cookies and bars for everyone else. And the strawberries looked really good this week, but they were really expensive. They were almost $4 a carton, which is very expensive for Aldi. Then we picked up a bag of envy apples, some red grapes, blackberries, some grape tomatoes. I actually still have cucumbers and carrots already, so I didn't pick those up. And then for the meats, I just went simple and picked up some of this thick sliced salami and pepperoni. And for cheese, this is my favorite cheese at Aldi. It's the jalapeno Havarti. And the girls like the Colby Jack. And then we do have some other random sharp cheddars still in the fridge. So that is everything I picked up for the Thanksgiving, day after Thanksgiving holiday. So the total for everything was around $120, which is way more than I would typically want to spend. So hopefully this will last several days. So I hope whatever you guys are doing this Thursday, that you all have a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. I feel like I didn't brush my hair, but I did. Okay, we're going to do this really fast. Does it look better from this angle?